The assembly mode has been developed for assembly applications in the horizontal way. The first thing to do is to assign the function to one of the two buttons. How to change the key assignment I show in one of the following videos. Again, my hand must grip the handle when I press the switch. After releasing the control switch, the assembly mode is active and the load is to be guided directly on the load. As soon as you grip the control pendant, it is switched to grip guide mode. In assembly mode, the speed is reduced and there is a faster reaction to a load impact. In other words, if the load hits an obstacle, the hoist founds the previous measured load with up and down movements. During this process, the L shown on the 7-segment display flashes. In our case, the load is shuttled on the wick. The operator only needs to push the load in the desired direction.
Parameters in assembly mode. The speed at which the load can be lifted and lowered with the hands on it after the assembly mode has been activated. The factory setting for DCBS 1 is 900 cm per minute and for DCBS 2 450 cm per minute. These values can be increased to a maximum of 1600 cm per minute for a DCBS 1 and 800 cm per minute for a DCBS 2. The duration of the assembly mode can be set via the parameters maximum number of direction changes and assembly switch off time. If a long load must be inserted into a fit, a high number of direction changes and a long time must be selected. If a short load must be inserted into a fit, the number of direction changes and the switch off time should be selected lower. The strength of the pendulum movement can be defined via the parameters load change lifting speed and load change lowering speed. Low speed for slight pendulum movement and high speed for strong pendulum movement.